Hey everyone, welcome back to our Beginner Sax YouTube channel. Today, we're once again diving into the major scale. Before you dismiss scales as boring, let me tell you, they're a game changer for your sax skills. Scales sculpt your sound, boost stability, and sync up your fingers. It's like a workout for your saxophone, essential for a strong musical foundation. Let's kick off with exercise number 1, focusing on whole notes. This exercise not only helps you get acquainted with the scale, but also sets up your fingers for smooth transitions. Remember to take a breath after 2 bars, or even after every single bar if needed. Additionally, pay attention to articulation. Ensure you hit each note with your tongue. By the way, you can get the PDF and support my work through the link below. Now, let's dive in and elevate that saxophone sound. Great progress. If you're feeling confident with the previous exercise, it's time to transition to exercise number 2. In this exercise, we'll be playing half notes. Ensure you articulate each note gently with your tongue, and pay close attention to the metronome. Great job. Now let's tackle exercise number 3 with quarter notes. Focus on syncing your fingers and perfecting your tonguing. Ready? Let's go. Fantastic progress. Now moving on to exercise number 4, featuring slurred quarter notes. Pay special attention to maintaining a consistent airflow, and don't forget to articulate with your tongue on the first note after taking a breath. Fantastic journey so far. Now, on to exercise number 5, where we'll be slurring every 4 notes. As in the previous exercise, remember to gently articulate the first note after taking a breath. Here's a crucial tip. Maintain a continuous airstream between notes, avoiding interruptions unless you're taking a breath. Let's dive into exercise number 5 and perfect those slurs. Great progress. Transitioning to exercise number 6, where we'll alternate between slurring 2 notes and then articulating. Just like before, gently articulate the first note after taking a breath. Keep the airflow consistent between notes, except when pausing for a breath. Congratulations! You've mastered the quarter notes exercises. Feel free to repeat them as much as needed before progressing to the next level, the eighth notes exercises. Just like before, follow the same steps for the upcoming exercises with eighth notes. Keep up the great work and enjoy the journey of refining your skills. Congratulations! You've successfully mastered the lesson. Your dedication and effort have truly paid off. If you've enjoyed this saxophone session and want more musical tips and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more exciting content and keep up the fantastic work on your saxophone journey. Well done.